What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Auto 3 Garage. This light ain't doing me no justice right now. But anyway, I'm in a Tahoe, finna get some gas in it. Finna go by the bank. So, yeah, let's get to it. I probably should have just filled it up, but I don't need that much gas in it. Oh, we gotta check engine light on. That's weird. There ain't nothing going on. Let's go on a drive. Oh my, what the hell? I driven all the way over here for nothing. Good thing I ordered some wings and stuff that was nearby. Wait, hold up, I might could check this ATM over here. Oh, never mind. I just go right here by the bank. So that one is down. Alright guys, so I finally made it to my destination. Anyway guys, we secured the bag. Got the thing is obnoxious. It's really loud. Alright guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. Made it back to the residential neighborhood and all that, so All right, guys. This is gonna be pretty much it. Want to give y'all quick clips of the Tahoe. I'm still driving it. Still driving my Mercedes. It's right beside me right now. Still doing good and all that. Porsche, you know, still not running. If y'all haven't seen the shorts, I will go back and watch the short and all that. I am getting parts for this Porsche. Well, for the Porsche, I'm not in the Porsche, but I'm getting parts. I got one on the way. So I'm very excited. So not this week. I'm not gonna work on it. Because I'm going out of town, and then the week after that, I'm gonna be on call and stuff for work. So I'm not gonna have time. But the week after, I'm gonna start on the Porsche. So y'all stay tuned for some Porsche content. So I'm gonna try to get the engine bay nice and tidy. In the Mercedes, I think I'm gonna start working on that. I mean, I've been driving the Mercedes around. It drives fine. We still just got minor things that probably could have been done, or I'm just too lazy to get done. I do want to replace like the oil pan gasket and the valve cover gaskets, because they are leaking just a little bit, which is I have a little bit oil. But overall, the engine is top notch, clean, easy to work on, all that little good stuff. Still got to get a radiator fan, which I probably could have been bought all that stuff, but I'm taking everything one at a time. I'm waiting for a garage. Supposed to be getting a garage, so I have to, talk to them to try to get the space. So if I can get a garage, that would be perfect. I will be working on the Mercedes, making some more content and all that. Just doing miscellaneous things. Try to utilize that space and all that. So yeah. So Tahoe, it made it to the bank. We made it back home. That's all. But anyway, if y'all made it this far, I hope y'all can subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, family, whoever, and stay tuned for some videos, like some long form videos. I've been procrastinating on doing like is it worth it videos. I've been thinking about like trying to do like a computer setup, so I can actually have my face present, and then me just looking at the vehicles and all that. I'm thinking about like a live stream, but it ain't like a live stream. It's like I already know pre-recorded and stuff. So I'm planning on doing that, but I'm gonna have to look into a PC and all that. I was talking to my buddy about one, so I'm asking him how he had his set up. I know I have to get me some monitors and all that little good stuff. But I'm gonna try to do something different on this channel and stuff, like rather short or long form content. But I just been thinking about it and stuff on what I need to do, because I be dropping here and there, which is very inconsistent and stuff. So I'm gonna try to be consistent. But I do got other YouTube channels and stuff that I've been kind of consistent on. So they doing pretty good and stuff. So I'm trying to focus on every area. But y'all stay tuned for some more content. But I hope y'all like this little video, not too crazy. I was cautious of other drivers on the road. I wasn't being crazy around other folks. So if I have open road, I'm going crazy, but I'm being smart and abiding by the speed limit and all that. I don't want to put anybody else in danger. I just want y'all to see and listen how this truck sound. Now, I didn't get this recorded, but you know how people come on the interstate all fast and stuff, and then when they get in the left lane, they want to slow down. Well, I had to get back over, or I was already over, because I let the cars pass me, and everybody just want to slow up and all that. And then I got back behind the one car, who came on the highway all hot and stuff, and they want to be in the slow lane. And my exit was approaching. So they had to get over. I hit the gas so hard, that thing, boy, this truck felt like a little rocket. And I made it to my exit safely and all that. I don't like when people do that. Like, if y'all get in this left lane, please be up to speed and stuff. Don't be hogging it. If you in it and you just pass somebody because, you try to maintain to be in the slow lane and stuff, that's understandable. But if you just in the the fast lane just to be in the fast lane. Just get out. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. See y'all.